Howdy YouTubers and vloggers. So recently I've been bored and it's quarantine, so I'm like, oh, what to do. And I decided to go out and do something to improve the feng shui of my home. So essentially what I'm doing is I'm getting pieces of furniture and items of minor luxury to go ahead and basically tidy up my house. So with that being said, I want to share a purchase that I got. I picked this up over at Games Workshop, or Warhammer as it might be labeled now, but let me show you. The limited edition Horus Lupercal Bookends. And then as you can see, there's a nice finish. Illustration is awesome. It's on either side here. The side with the tab has the lunar wolves, or the chaos symbol, while Horus was reigning. And then here is some text. As you can see right here, Warhammer, Black Library, Warhammer 40,000, Games Workshop, retail $110. The seals, I went ahead and I took care of with an iFixit wedge knife. They call it a Jimmy now, if I'm not mistaken. Oh, there we go. And then in here, nice foam padding and tissue paper. Where did it? Oh. Ah. Right here. Holding up some awesome books. Then I have one over here that you can see in display. Very, very epic. Immaculate. Elegant. Euphoric. It has a place and feel of somewhere else. The bottom has a nice little Games Workshop Limited 2020 Made in China. Both the bookends are not painted like the illustration, but still have a lot of grand looking details and parts to it. Particularly since this particular piece is actually still looming around with Abaddon or Abaddon. So here's a little shot with a couple of books that I have here. And there you pretty much have it. That's essentially it. I just wanted to go ahead and share those with you. There we go. I just wanted to share those two with you. They're amazing. They're awesome. I highly recommend getting some bookends if you're a literature person like myself. And I just had to get these. If they're still around, by all means, pick them up, get them. At this moment, I just had to buy them. I'm still debating as to whether or not if I want to paint perhaps the top one here or something, but or perhaps the top one here or the bottom one or something. but I want to go ahead and make sure either way that the bookends look good. And for the sake of collectability, I might just make it to where either bookend is not painted and they're true to their originality, but who knows. Thanks for watching this vlog. I was utterly bored while making it, and I thought I just had to share every little bit of it with all of you. Like, subscribe, and follow. If you're a Warhammer 40k fan, check out my production channel below, and you'll see all the stuff that I do with fantasy and 40k and D&D and all that type of stuff. Alright? Bye!